Okay, so firstly, I would like to thank you very much the organizer of the event. I believe that such events are very, very important in the overall long-term development of tourism in a country. So well done, and thank you one more time. Coming back to Tirana Airport, I believe that you were totally right. So Castrati Group took over the airport in December 2020 in full pandemic time. And if I would sum up the reason of the success, two are the main reasons. Okay? The first reason is the belief in the market, okay, and in the potential of the country of the airport. And the second thing is investments and really looking at the long-term profitability rather than the short-term wins. So why we bought the airport during pandemic time, this looked like a crazy move, and I believe that only thanks to pandemics, ironically, we were able to buy the airport, because otherwise the Chinese investor would never sell it. The airport of Tirana had been in a stable growth in the last 10 years, let's say from 2009 to 2019. Very stable growth, and the Chinese concessionaire, they were very happy to operate the airport, which also back then was a very profitable company. I remember it was making like 27 million euro EBITDA in 2019 with 3.3 million passengers. But they didn't believe in the potential, so they were not ready to invest, and we snapped the opportunity during the pandemic. We bought it, and the day we took over, we were telling to the people that, okay, in 2-3 years we'll very soon achieve 5 million, and then we'll achieve 10 million. And this looked really like empty promises, and people were telling us, are you business people or politicians? That you just promise and never achieve anything. But we really believed that the potential was there, and as soon as we took over the airport, we started investing directly in order to make it happen. And then except the investment, what else we did in order to bring this big success was lowering the prices. So we reduced by 25% immediately the airport fees, and also we made very good, sweet deals for the airlines in order to help them grow. And then the success came. We doubled the passenger traffic. From 3.3 million, we made 7 million in just 3 years' time. And this year, if in 2019, which was the best year for Tirana Airport pre-pandemic, we had 3.3 million passengers, this year will close, 2025 will be 11.65 million passengers. So this is almost a 4 times increase in just 6 years, and consider that the pandemic is in between. And the great news is that this was not a one-time thing. I mean, the growth is continuing, and we predict that next year we'll have another 15% growth to achieve 13.3 million passengers. And we are forecasting that by the end of the decade we will be achieving 18 to 19 million passengers. Consider that we started from 3.3.